Hello to everyone who is watching. This is another video from Homeonics. This is to introduce the Mantra 1, which is our most popular and on-demand device because it is the newest device we have, and the improved features make it a very exceptional device. Now, not only is it a multi-wave generator, but it has an organ amplifier, which turns it into a very powerful machine, unlike any other in the market. So let's get right into it. First thing we need to do is turn on our mantra. From the back side, I will explain what is in the back panel right now. But right now I'm going to explain the top side of it. Now on the upper right side is the input cup. That's where we will put our samples, for example. And on the left side we have the output cup, which we can use to make our remedies using, for example, a homeopathic dropper. On the upper center part is where we have the card reader, and this is an example of a card where we will be inserting it in the coming videos. On the right side, lower right side, is the stick pad, which we can use with the pendulum, and on the left side we have the touch screen, which I will get to into detail in a couple of moments from now. I'm going to slowly turn our Mantra 1 device so you see what's on the back. On the back side is right here the on and off switch, the USB port, which allows you to connect it to the computer and also allows you to connect it to the power source. You have on the right of that, you have two input and output ports, which you can use with accessories like the large cups, the large plates, or the electrodes. Now let's go right ahead and look at the touch screen of our Mantra 1. Very carefully, I'm going to place it right here for you to see it. Now on the upper left side of the screen is the number pad, the section where you're going to be able to add any rate manually to the machine. Now, after pressing the buttons, let's say you want to erase it, so there's an erase button below that, or just by tapping on code, it's going to erase everything. Below that is the memory section, where you can manually save a code within the memory of the device. So here, as you know, if you check the manual, there's 4 memories. To the right of that is the level section, where you can manually change the level that you're going to work on the rate. To the right of that is a function tester area, where you can research any value from 0 to 100 or from 0 to -100. The ESC card section to the right of it, as you can see visibly, are the options for you to erase information or save information into our ESC card. The homeopathy section is above that. Here you have the X, C, M, LM, and MM, which are the potency methods. Below that are the copy, neutralize, autosimil, or the imprint option that we have for homeopathic purposes. And to the right to the left of that, we have the buttons, last 2 buttons, which are the diagnostics button, which is right here. It says diag. And next to that, to the left of it, is the broadcasting button as well. Now, this concludes and wraps up our video presentation of the Mantra 1. I hope you liked it. Please share it with anyone if you found it informational and useful. In the coming videos, we will explain more on how to use the card, the ESC card, and how to, when you're inputting the remedies, and also to regards of using the sample, and gloves as well. Well, thank you very much for watching, and you have yourself a very healthy day.